Hello, everybody. So, we are still on examples involving fractions, but this time, what if the denominators are not the same? Like, for example, we have 4 and 5 over 6 is to 2 and 1/4. Now, you notice that 6 and 4 are not the same anymore. So, what shall we do? To answer this, or to simplify this ratio class, we will still follow the first step, which is to change the mixed fractions into improper. So 6 times 4 again is 24. And then 24 should be added to the numerator 5. And the result is 29. And so the improper for this mixed fraction is 29. And then the denominator is still the same over 6. In the other side, you will do the same as well. You multiply 4 and 2. The result is 8. And then you add 8 to the numerator 1. And the result is 9. And so the improper fraction form of that mixed fraction is 9 over 4. In the previous example, where the denominators are the same, I told you to just directly cancel out the denominators. In this example, in this improper fraction form, yeah, the denominators are not the same anymore. That means you cannot directly cancel them out. So what we will do is we will add rather another step, which is to cross multiply the numbers. So we will multiply 29 times 6, and then in the other for the other side, you will also multiply 9 and 6. So 9 times 6. And then what we will do is to continue the solution. 29 times 6 equals 174. And then is to 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, so again, in the second step, we did not cancel out directly the denominators because they are not the same anymore. We proceeded to cross multiplying the numbers. We cross multiply this partner first and then second. And so we got 174 is to 54. Now, 174 and 54 is quite big numbers or are quite big numbers. And so we will apply what you learned about simplifying ratio involving big whole numbers. So I told you to do this 174 over 54. So you change the ratio into its fraction form. And then since they are big numbers, you can just directly divide them by 2. You start by 2 and then try to see the result. 174 divided by 2, that that would be 550, sorry, that would be 60, not 60 but 87. And then over 54 divided by 2, that's 27. Now we will try to see if there is still a number that can divide both 87 and 27. We could not divide 87 by 2 anymore because it ends with 7. It's an odd number. We could not divide odd number.